If you drive a Honda Element, you might be wondering why you get no bass. Well, it's not the car, it's your speakers. Your speakers suck in your Honda Element. So we're gonna pop this thing off. We're gonna replace these speakers with some brand new Pioneer speakers. And I'm gonna make it super easy for y'all. All you'll need is a freaking screwdriver and a speaker wiring harness. And I'll leave all of that stuff down below in the links in the description. So look at this speaker. It is broken. This thing is 20 plus years old, and it's almost guaranteed that your speaker looks like this. And you see those 3 screws? We're gonna remove those one at a time. We'll replace these bad boys with these little Pioneer speakers. As soon as you install these bad boys, your DMs are gonna be flooded with girls trying to hear your speakers. So let's get started. So we've got our Phillips head screwdriver. We're going in, lefty loosey, boom. Before we take this all the way out, I want you to hear the difference with these crappy speakers. To remove the old speaker, all we do is we push down on these 2 tabs and it should slide right out. Easy. So let's take a look at the difference between the 2 speakers. You can see around the rim, this thing is all jacked up. This new speaker by Pioneer is gonna sound awesome. And I got it on sale for like 45 bucks. And you wanna make sure you get the 6.5 inch size so that it fits inside of your Honda Element. When we install it, we're gonna be using these small holes here, and the screw is provided in the box by Pioneer. So this is what's gonna make your life super easy here. It's the Z2-7800 Honda speaker wiring harness. It's gonna look like this here. So there's a small end and a big end of the wiring harness, and we're gonna install those in the speaker, and you can see there's a small and a big portion here. So it's one positive, one negative, and luckily there's only one way to put it in, so you literally can't mess this up. Slide that in there. And the same on the other side. And then this is going to plug directly into the harness here. Super simple. Boom, just like that. And then we'll slide the speaker in place. We're going to find the small holes, right? We're going to use the screws that were provided by Pioneer. And we're just going to start them by hand first. I always have trouble finding the hole to start, but once we get it started, it's pretty easy. Yep. There you go. Let's get that started. The same thing here. You want to take your time, warm it up, no rush, right? Then you take your screwdriver, righty-tighty, and gently slide those bad boys in. And there's the new speakers. Sounding so good. Making my way downtown. Good, now you take the clip, place it back in place. Just like the Fawns, you give it a little bada bing, bada boom. You're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to use the links down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.